Hello everyone. Okay, we are doing 4 minutes long. Each set is going to be for jog. Yeah, down. We're doing 4 variations. Each variation is going to be a minute long. Okay. Now, the idea that what we're doing is we're doing climbers. Okay. This is going to be low impact. Okay. But with high intensity. The intensity is up to you how fast you would like to go. Now, right? So if you look at it, 4 climbers, get up, turn over, jog, get down, 8 climbers. That's what we're doing, right? That's the first variation. I'll explain all these variations. Okay? It is all about the count. How many can you get each set? Go. The next variation happens to be jumping jacks. Okay? The idea is take a big step. Okay? Normally what we do is we take a small step. The idea is you take a big step, get the rhythm, move your arms, move your legs, move faster. That's what it is. We're looking at low impact. You got to turn into a very high intensity if you want it. I would say that work out insane or remain the same. This is a slogan for today. Very simple. Work out insane or remain the same. Right? So it is all up to you how you're going to step up, what you're going to do. We can jump, but we don't want to jump. We want to bring the intensity up with the low impact. It should be like even a 90-year-old should be able to do it. Go. The third variation happens to be burpee. Okay? Step, roll, yep, up, step up. Don't jump. Even you'll feel like jumping up, but don't do that. This happens to be the third variation. Right? Okay? So once we finish 4 variations, we take 2 minutes break. The breaks are going to be longer. See, this kind of workout we can do full 30 minutes non-stop, we can do it. But no, I'm giving 2 minutes break for you to realize that I'm losing 2 minutes every set. So why don't I give my best? Cardio has to be where your cardiovascular, that is your heart and lungs, have to be in great shape. These 2 important organs have to be conditioned. These 2 organs have to be conditioned so well, that whatever on earth you would want to do, you should be able to do it. So that the lungs and heart should be able to support. Right? Now, go. So we're doing sit, roll over, stretch your leg out, get back up. Up, down. This is all you're going to do. Stretch, bring. If you can get up without using the hands, will be ultimate. Right? You need to protect your back. Bring both the legs together. It's a very simple workout for the one who are looking at it. But when you do it, you will know it gets tougher and tougher. This is even more tiring than a burpee actually, if you look. Sit, roll, come on. 15 seconds to go. So that will be 1 minute. That will be 4 minutes, and you're taking 2, 1, break. So you get 2 minutes break. That's 1 set done, 5 to go. No. So 4 to go. Totally 5 sets we're doing because it's a 30-minute workout. Right? So what you do in the 2 minutes that you have, let us see. If I was the one, I would actually be moving and I wouldn't want the heart rate to keep coming down. I would be moving. Maybe I would do a spot jog. Maybe I would just keep moving. I wouldn't want to relax at all. Okay? Now, come on. Come on, she's doing a stretch on the other side. She's not on camera. That's about it. Right? Okay, so what are we going to learn today? What are we going to learn? At what? 7:30 in the morning, I'm hungry. That doesn't look nice. Maybe I'm becoming pre-diabetic already. It's For simple reason is, my diet has been pathetic for quite some time. You can say about 8 months. I've been eating all the nonsense. Okay, I'm not even controlling what needs to go into my system as such. Right, so normally I don't become hungry at 7:30 in the morning at all. Right, okay, anyway, now, let's see. Okay, let me open up some challenges for people who are listening and watching the video. It pays off normally to be a subscriber. It also pays off if you have hit the bell icon, for simple reason being, if you hit the bell icon, you would know that whatever video is being posted, especially at least with me, you would know that what is coming up. What I will do for the next few days, only for people who have subscribed are the ones who are going to enjoy the benefit of that. Somewhere in the video, I would do this for about a week. Okay, 2, 1. Second set starts. Right? I will keep telling, so you keep listening, people. Now you know the drill. If you're actually working out, go ahead and work out. So do your best. Okay? Nobody should tell you how much you should push. You should be able to push. You should always feel like you're an Olympian. You're going to compete in the Olympics. That's how it should be. I was reading an article of Michael Phelps. Okay, Michael Phelps never wanted to swim. He hated swimming, and it was by accident that a coach saw him, and he said, he realized that he's got the potential in the world. Let me train him. Okay, and Michael Phelps showed a lot of interest in learning. What had happened finally? He won so many golds. He won so many medals in swimming that not many have been able to keep up with him. Right? See, as long as the person who's going to get trained shows interest, it becomes exciting for a trainer to train. That's how it works. No matter how much the trainer keeps screaming, doesn't make sense. Right? So, coming back to what I was saying, how it helps to be a subscriber, and how it helps to have hit the bell icon, how it helps even if you're watching the video. Like I said, for 7 days in a row, okay, I'm going to be throwing in a challenge. I'm going to be throwing in a challenge to people, asking a question somewhere in the video. Somewhere in the video, it could be starting, middle, end, somewhere in the video. If you answer the question, okay, it doesn't apply to the ones who are working out in the gym, because they know what the question is and they know what time it is coming in. Okay, it is only for people who come online and listen to it and answer, and they should comment it on YouTube itself. You comment it, yes, we know. The first person to comment the right answer, give me the number on YouTube itself. We will send you a reward of 500 rupees. Okay, that is all for you to do what? You get to see the workout, even you get to do the workout. Also, it pays you if you're if you're actually looking at the video. My only condition is, okay, the same person can do it for the rest of the life. Only thing is, my condition is, only once for a phone number it's going to be paid. If you have 10 cents, I don't mind. If you have 10 cents, 10 times you get it. Right? If you feel you're not eligible anymore, you ask your friends to look at it. Okay? So this is what I will say. Somewhere in the video, I'm going to be posting. Come on, change. Somewhere in the video, I'm going to be posting a question, and let us see if you give me the right answer. At the moment, we can only do through either PhonePe, Google Pay. Okay, and if it's a overseas person, if not from India, if there's any other kind of mode payment that we need to do, we will do it in the future. But at the moment, it applies to only people from India. Come on. How is it going? Low impact is easy for you? Come on. Try not to use the hands. Come on. Come on. Get up, man. Get up. That's your break. 2 sets done. 2 sets done. 2 sets done. Use your 2 minutes of break wisely. Use your 2 minutes break wisely. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Your heart rate is up or still down? Feeling warmed up? What?
130 to 140.
130, yeah? Good. You see how we can improve. See, all you need to do is look at the loopholes in your own workout. See where your mistakes are, where you can correct it. If you can do that, you will only enjoy it. You would really enjoy it. See, it is all about how you plan. I'm not too sure if anybody watched Formula 1 race yesterday. It was the most disappointing race that I've ever seen. Ever seen. It was a flaw in the formula that what the Formula 1 organizers even had. If someone is following and not watched it, let me tell you what happened basically. Yesterday, it rained, and they didn't want to start the race. With the fear that there could be, accidents because the visibility was poor. It could be accidents and then life at stake. Okay, and for a viewer, it was really bad because I myself waited for about 3.5 hours. And then because they wanted to, give a result to the race, and behind the safety car, they asked the drivers to drive around 2 laps and they declared a winner. That wasn't the case. Very simple fact is, why they didn't do it was because the drivers were complaining. Let's go. The drivers were complaining that it's aquaplaning, okay, or they were complaining about the visibility was very poor, okay. Now the question happens, why did you qualify in the first place? You qualified first or second or third because you proved to the whole rest of the pack that you're better. So if you are in the lead, obviously you will get the benefit as such. In the rain, when the visibility is poor, you can't be driving at the normal speed that you would drive. You have to adapt. You have to adapt. Okay? And if you say that no, I would want to only race at that speed itself, that's foolishness. Okay, that's damn foolishness. So you should let the Formula 1 racer decide what speed. If he's going to go fast, he's going to crack up, he's going to make an accident. That's his problem. That is his problem. That's where the strategy comes in. That's where the brilliance of a driver comes in. 2, 1, go. See, third set. See, I'm looking at a big step. Okay. I'm looking at big step. You take the big step, right? We should have a marker. Basically, she has a marker because she's got a man in front of her. So like I was saying, Formula 1 was so boring. 3.5 hours of, waiting, hoping that they would start. Yeah? That's what happened. Come on. Nobody knows when the question is coming up. Okay. There are participants in the gym. They are not allowed to participate in the questionnaires, but they can listen to the question while they're working out also. And if they want, they can even answer it. Okay. Let us see how attentive they are. While keeping up the pace and even listening to the question. Come on. The knees are gone. She banged the knee for sure. Come on, down and up. Look at it. This is a low impact. It doesn't hurt any kind of joint. Nothing will happen. This is only, come on, take the speed up. Work out insane, like I said, or you will remain the same. Perform. If someone's ever going to watch it, they should say that, wow, this person inspires me. That's how it should be. Change. How fast you get up, how fast you get down. Very important. How fast you get up, how fast you get down. Very important. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's a bright day today. It's a bright day today. Come on. Crush the workout. Come on. After this, you have only 2 more sets. After this, you got only 2 more sets. See, if you look at, I will teach you something else as well. For someone who's looking at wanting to burn calorie, okay? Let me teach you. Let me teach you. Come on. That's good. 3 sets done. Okay. Now, if someone's actually looking at burning calorie, see, cardio has this, immense effect. Has this immense effect, on your heart and lungs. Okay, because you're moving really fast and stuff like that. The heart and lungs have to adapt. It also helps out all the other muscles as well, because you have to move. Whether you call it walking, jogging, or if the workout that what you see on the video, it requires coordination of a lot of muscles for the action to be taken. So the cardio, in the sense, the cardiovascular things are going to really improve. One, if you actually wanted to burn calories, if that's your objective, cardio is the best. Cardio is the best. Next best comes is your weight training. Weight training actually tones up your muscle, gives you great shape and things like that. Even if you want to build muscle with the change in diet, yes, you can build muscle as such. But actually, if you look at it, the burn of calories is much more in cardio as compared to a weight training as such. The weight training has benefits maybe after 24 hours and things like that. Yes, it does have its benefits. Okay, but the cardio has a significant opening towards burning more calories as such. Okay, if you move faster, you will burn even faster as such. That's one thing that you need to keep that in mind, right? We got 30 seconds to go, and let us see if the participants are active even in the workout. Let's say if I throw a question now and I'm asking for a solution, whether they have an answer, let us understand about it. Okay, so cardio is really good. I would say that if you're looking at conditioning your whole body, you need a lot of stuff. You need to be doing cardio, you need to be doing weight training, you need to be doing your stretches. These are very important if you're looking at great conditioning of your own body. You can't say one is better than the other. You can never say. Let's go. Okay, the surprise comes now. I'm going to ask a question. Let us see if they can see, the objective for them is going to be, they have to have an eye on the clock. They got to maintain the speed. Okay, get their workout done, feel good about the workout. Also the thing is whether they can answer the question. Okay, now the question comes this way. Okay, $500 is on the line, people. Not for the participants, but a challenge for them to even listen to it. Okay, there's a 60-seater bus. Starts from, I would mention in my own area, because I live in India, I live in Bangalore, I live in Banaswadi. Okay, so a 60-seater bus starts from the main station, Banaswadi. Okay, 5 on board. I won't repeat it again. Now 5 on board. The bus moves. Okay, get the coordination. Come on. The bus moves. The first stop, the fire station. Okay, 7 people get on, 2 people get off. Right? Another 2 minutes, the bus moves again. It reaches Ayyappa temple. 10 get on, 7 get off. Okay, I hope people are listening. Okay, don't repeat it, just keep listening. Now, the bus moves again from Ayyappa temple near Indian Oil flyover. It picks up 3 passengers, 4 get off. Now, in 2 minutes time, again because of the traffic, it moves near Orient Mall. It stops. Orient Mall, 6 get on, 6 get off. Okay, now the bus moves again. Okay, now the next stop, the final stop, 3 get on, 7 get off. Now I would want you to tell me, how many stops did the bus stop? That's your question. Move! So let's see who gets it. Come on. Faster. You got one more set after this. Come on. The workout has to be fun. Workout has to be fun. Has to be challenging. Come on. Come on. See, if you can make sure the knee doesn't make contact with the floor, you're doing a great job. Come on. Change. Precious seconds, positioning yourself. How you position, how you get up, how you move, matters a lot. Come on. Which is difficult, burpee or this? Which one do you find difficult? Huh? This one. A simple change in the workout makes a whole lot of difference. Come on. 20 seconds and you'll end up with just one more set to go. Just one more set. Come on, come on, come on. Two, 1, 2 minutes break. 2 minutes. The last set I'll encourage you guys. You can go with what we've done, 4-minute routine, or you can add up 2 more minutes and round it off for 30 minutes. Either you can increase any of the variation to a larger extent, or break it down how you would want to do. You figure it out. The best thing that I would say is, if you can keep up and you can keep up good pace, go non-stop 6 minutes. Or if you feel 4 minutes is good enough for you, yes. Let us see what are you capable enough. Yeah, up to you. A minimum is 1 minute that you do. So that's 4 minutes. So you got 2 minutes left. If you're looking at challenge, what are you going to do about it? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, people. So let us see if somebody's going to get that 500 rupees today. Come on. You know what I'm making plans. The plan that I have is, let's say the channel improves. At the moment, you look at it, we have 204 subscribers. Let's say, for you to qualify, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours and all this stuff. I was thinking, let's say the channel becomes so big, people are watching, and then we start making good money. I was thinking of donating all that to poor people. It helps if someone's actually sitting and watching the video. For watching the video, YouTube is definitely going to pay us. And that payment, we can pass it on to poor people, which would really help. It should really, really help. Come on. 1.5, okay. Speed. You have to better. This is the last time you're ever going to do it. Your card is going to be over. Go. How fast you cover the distance. How fast you get down, get up. Come on. Crush the workout, crush the workout. Don't go through the workout. Crush it. Crush the workout. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. What? Come on. She's all over the place, all over the place. Come on, people. Come on. Speed, speed, speed. Like I'll come back to what I was saying on the calorie burn. Okay. On a weight training, when you do a real weight training workout, okay, it is even difficult to burn 4 calories a minute. Change if you're going 1.5 minutes. So let me tell you, which I forgot to tell you was, if you're doing the weight training, it's very hard to even burn 4 calories a minute. But when you're actually doing cardio, you can take it up to even 20. But the 20 to maintain it is very difficult. 15 and above itself is very difficult as such. What you see the person performing, it is anywhere in the range of 12-13 calorie per minute which has been burnt. Okay, so there is a possibility you can burn 15 to 20 calories. That is only possible with the cardio part of it. Keep that in mind. Now it's all in preparation. See, I'm hoping that I find a contestant who's very young in age, who's the body composition, the height and all that matches somebody who's actually wanting to go for a marathon. Okay, I wish I can train somebody like that. It doesn't matter where in the world. The objective is I would want to break it. What has not been trained is even a mile. If you look at a mile, the mile is never run like a 100-meter race. Mile, when you run a mile, which is a 1.6 kilometer, that's 1,600 meters. Okay, so what they do is they are trained in such a way that they be consistent. They be consistent throughout the race. This is what is being taught. But how would I train? I would definitely train a person. That is, if the person is really interested in making a name for himself or herself, where it can be trained is with an increments of even 10 meters a day, increments of 20 meters a day. We train from the beginning as if it was a 100-meter race. It is possible. It looks impossible for people right now, but once, let's say, we set the trend, the world is going to catch up with it. It requires hard training for probably years, but yes, it is achievable. The whole mile can be run as if it is a sprint. That is all preparation. That's all preparation. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push. Come on, come on.
Oh my God. 10 more seconds.
So every variation you're going 1.5 minutes.
Yeah.
Good. 2, 1, go. Come on, people. What number can we expect in 90 seconds? I think she won't reach 25. That's 2. Hey, stand up fully. Stand up fully. That's 3. Can she reach 25 in 90 seconds? Come on, man. Time's running out for her. She's got a minute. How many did you get? 8. 17 to go. She's got a minute. She can make it. Stand up fully. Come on. "40 seconds. Stand up fully. So this is where the flexibility comes. If you know how to sit and roll over, you can be faster. If you don't know that, you will struggle. Only thing what you need to do is protect your lower back. Protect your lower back. You should have strengthened it, the lower back before you even attempt to make this workout. 10 seconds to go. 6 seconds. How many? 21. 22, huh? She missed by 3 numbers. Anyway, how was your workout? What? Some burn you feel? You feel you burn some kind of calories? No. Good. Huh?
Burning.
Good. 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 Come on.
Neck.